Good day everyone. Today, we are going to find the volume of the solid enclosed by the graph by using the technique application of integration. We are going to solve one challenge problem and the points of intersection is x equals to 0 and y equals to 8. And y equals to x cubed is going to be the graph. So, let's start. First, we'll make a graph. The axis of rotation is in the y-axis. Then, we'll label the graph. So, our points of intersection is equals to 0, 8. So, we'll plot and sketch the graph. So, y equals to x cubed. So, the graph of y equals to x cubed is approximately like this. And this is the point of intersection. So next, we're going to create a horizontal strip. Another one here. And shade it. So the height of the horizontal strip is labeled as y. The thickness is labeled as dy, and the distance is labeled as x. Then we are going to shade the graph. Next, since the axis of rotation is on the y-axis, we're going to create an illustration on turning out if we are rotating the graph. Okay, let's start. So from here, we're going to put a point here. Then rotate. So the image looks like about. There you go. So let's draw it here again. Then label. So the derivative of volume is this one. The height is labeled as y. The thickness is labeled as dy. The axis of rotation is in the middle, and the distance is labeled as x. Now, we're going to solve the derivative of the volume and the volume. So, derivative of the volume is equals to, the formula that we're going to use is 2 pi x y dx, because using shell method, we're going to solve the circumference of the graph. So, the derivative of the volume is 2 pi x y dx, and the volume is equals to the integral of 2 pi x, substitute y to x cubed, dx, and the limits are from 0 to 8. Next, put out 2 pi, the integral of combine x times x cubed, which is x4, dx, and the limits are from 0 to 8. Next, 2 pi, integrate x raised to 4, which is x raised to 5 over 5, with the limits of from 0 to 8. Next, substitute 2 pi times, substitute x to 8. So 8 raised to 5 over 5, and substitute 0 to x, and 0 to 5 is equals to 0, divided by 5 is equals to 0. So 2 pi times 8 raised to 5 over 5 minus 0 is equals to 65,536 over 5 pi, or it is equal to 41,177.48 cubic units. And this is our answer. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you.